Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a Wi-Fi network from your iPhone. This is super handy if you no longer use a Wi-Fi network or if you're having issues and need to reset it. So let's jump right in. You can follow these steps on any iPhone model, and the same steps work on all versions of iOS, including iOS 18 and iOS 17. Remember, you can only remove Wi-Fi networks that are currently in range. To remove out-of-range Wi-Fi networks, you can follow the second method shown later in the video. Start by launching the Settings app. Here you will find the Wi-Fi option. Tap on it. On the Wi-Fi settings page, look for the Wi-Fi network that you want to remove from your device and tap on the I button located right next to its name. On the next screen, you should find the button for Forget this network. Simply tap on this button to remove the selected Wi-Fi network from your iPhone or iPad. You can repeat these steps to remove all of your unwanted Wi-Fi networks. Once a Wi-Fi network has been removed from a device, you will need to reconnect it by entering its password once again. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you want to see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that are connected to your iPhone and want to remove Wi-Fi networks from your device that are currently not in range, then you can access the Passwords app on iOS 18 and go to the Wi-Fi section. There you will be able to see a list of all the networks that were previously connected to your iPhone. If you're on iOS 17 or lower, then this list can be found in the iCloud keychain section inside the Settings app. You can tap on any of the Wi-Fi network and then tap on Forget this network button. This will remove this network from your device. And there you have it. Removing a Wi-Fi network on your iPhone is as easy as that. If you found this tip helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in our next video.